This is the Trading Playbook, where the charts do the talking, and every session makes you a better trader. Hello everyone and welcome to the Trading Playbook. My name is Lawton Ho, here with Verified Investing, and we have another episode of the Trading Playbook. Thank you guys so much for watching this Saturday. And before you go anywhere, guys, I'd like to say please consider liking and subscribing to the Verified Investing YouTube channel. Leave a comment below. Tell me what TA pattern you want to see next. I know I've read some of the comments and you guys are asking me to do specific charts, but I'm asking for specific setups, technical indicators that you think that I use that would be helpful for you to understand. But regardless, today, here's the play. We're talking about pivots. And let me go ahead and share my charts. Pivots like double top, double bottom, and how to use them, right? So what is a pivot, right? What is a pivot? And to explain very, very basically, a pivot is, I'll write this down for you, basically the end of a wick. Simply enough, it's just the end of a wick, right? End of a wick. But when we're looking to use pivots, not all pivots are created equal. There are multiple pivots, but not all of them are created equal. For example, let me go ahead and take this down with me. You can see that there was a pivot high here. A pivot high is at the top of the wick, and pivot low is at the bottom of the wick, okay? Pivot high is at the top of the candle, and pivot low or pivot bottom is the bottom of that candle, right? So you can use wicks in all sorts of ways as support and resistance mostly. But what do I mean by not all pivots are created equal? Well, there are, if I scroll out, different pivots. Like for example, this up here is a pivot high, and what does it coincide with? It's the highest point BABA in this case has gotten since the 30th of September 2025. Now Alibaba has gone higher previously. This would be double top, also a pivot, which is just the previous all-time high, but this is a pivot high, right? And because it is the highest point that BABA has reached in, several months, right, about half a year plus, right, it's going to be significant resistance. And so we can just write here pivot high, resistance, right? So we're expecting resistance there. In the same way, if we go to the other end, right, of the spectrum and look all the way back here, down here, we could say there's a pivot low, a pivot low there on BABA. And although it's not the lowest point, I don't believe, let's see. Yeah, not quite, almost, not quite the lowest point that the stock has ever gotten to, even though it hasn't been there. It is the lowest point BABA has been since 2022, or December of 2022. So this would be pivot low support. And you can use these for intraday, for for day trading, swing trading, all sorts of different things. And I'll show you on another chart, for example. Just remember that pivots are the end of the wick. And also, it doesn't have to be all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom. We can see here, if we go in a little closer, right, you can say, oh, there was earnings here on Alibaba. Right? Alibaba had earnings and pushed up over 9%. Well, you can use the top of that point and say this is the pivot high. The high plus earnings high. So what that means, it is the highest point Alibaba got to after reporting earnings before this very steep fall. Right? So there should be some resistance there. But let's use another chart just to continue to reinforce it. Let's go to, say, Micron, right? So Micron you could say, hey, this is not only is it double top, so previous all-time high, but it is a pivot high of resistance. Similarly, on the bottom, you could say MU is right here, pivot low of support. Pivot low of support. So there you have two clear levels, one of support and one of resistance. And now the question is, well, how well do these pivots even work? Right? And that's a great question. Well, let's take a look at historical data, right? Historical data. So let's start really easy right here. So you saw this was on my chart earlier, and there's the $960 level right here from the 12th of June, and was the highest point for, almost a month, for like 2.5 weeks on Micron. But Micron then came down, hit this $960 level, and this is not even a significant pivot. This is just the lowest point it got since the 12th of June, just that low pivot there, coinciding with that psychological number of $960. But look, guys, off of that, you can see immediately a 1.5 bounce, and then up to a 6% bounce off of this. And we can just go back on any chart and just do this, right? So here on MRVL, let's take a look at previous areas of potential support or resistance. So you had a pivot high here. At the highest point it got, right, this was, I believe, yeah, it was a previous all-time high that was hit, right? So going into this day here on Wednesday, the 20th of May, you were hitting levels you hadn't hit in, about 6 days or so, right? But if we take a look at what happened, price pushed up to that pivot high and then pulled back 3%. An awesome day trading opportunity. And that's what I mean by saying that every single pivot is not created equal. And that's what's going to give you the edge in today's episode. Right? Here's the edge, right? The most important pivots are all-time highs, like this one, all-time lows, like I showed you before, as well as pivots from earnings, right? On earnings. This is going to be tremendous support. And you see how it's playing out here and how it played out this week, right? This was literally the highest point we got right after earnings on MRVL before a nice push up, right? So you saw price came down, hit this level, bounced 2.5% intraday. The next day it opened up there and then pushed up over 5%, guys. So you can see how powerful these pivots are for both support and resistance. But there are some common playbook mistakes that you guys have to watch out for when you're choosing to trade this. Like I said before, not all pivots are created equal, and such is the case for something like SpaceX, right? On SpaceX, we came down and hit this pivot previously around 151, 152, and absolutely crushed it, making new all-time lows this week. But your question might be like, well, Lawton, why didn't that work? If pivots are supposed to work, how come we didn't get a bounce there? Because on a stock like this that has been around for give or take 2.5 weeks, maybe a month, you're not going to have that much data. And because you don't have that much data, you're not expecting these pivots to be as powerful. Right now on SpaceX, I have the only level that I'd be comfortable taking a trade on based solely on pivots is this pivot high, previous double top, previous all-time high. When the stock opened up, when everyone said, buy into SpaceX, this is an awesome generational buying opportunity, to buy this trillion-dollar company. Well, it pushed up and then absolutely collapsed. So that is why I think this pivot up here should provide some resistance. But this is what you're looking forward for in tomorrow's play call. And in tomorrow's episode, guys, I'll go over some of these pivots again, but give you 3 actionable trades that you can take this upcoming week based solely on pivots. Pivots are awesome. They're pretty basic and elementary, but they work, right? And that's the most important thing. Before I go again, guys, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel. My name again is Lawton Ho here at Verified Investing. If you're ever curious about learning how to trade cryptocurrency and want to take a course created by yours truly, please scan that QR code. It really helps me out, and I appreciate all of your support, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your Saturday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. That's the Trading Playbook. If today's episode was your film study, the principle, the pattern, the framework, the application is waiting for you on Sunday. Real setups, real levels, ready before Monday opens. Subscribe to Verified Investing on YouTube. Saturday teaches, Sunday prepares, show up ready.